Welcome to Gears Canada, where your adventure is our mission. Our customer happiness team is eager to assist with product-related questions and can even help guide you to the perfect gear for your activity and budget. You can call or text us at 647-400-3081.
Introducing the Dri-Tek reusable waterproof glove covers from Gears, a revolutionary solution to keep your hands dry and comfortable during any outdoor activity, rain or shine. These glove covers are a game changer for anyone venturing outdoors. With heat-welded tape seams on the interior, they're 100% waterproof. Whether you're caught in an unexpected downpour or navigating through wet conditions, these glove covers ensure your hands and existing gloves remain dry. The cinch cord at the wrist is a critical feature, creating a seal with your jacket cuff to prevent rain from seeping through. But it's not just about keeping you dry. These gloves are also windproof, adding an extra layer of defense against wind chill. This dual protection makes them indispensable for your outdoor adventures. The Sure Grip material on the palm and fingertips is another standout feature. It enhances your grip, ensuring you maintain a firm hold on your gear, be it handlebars, trekking poles, or ski poles. Designed for universal compatibility, these glove covers can be worn over your existing gloves or mitts. This design choice ensures added protection without sacrificing dexterity, making them ideal for a variety of outdoor activities, including hiking, motorcycling, ATVing, cycling, and skiing. Commitment to sustainability is a key ethos of Gears. These glove covers are not only reusable, but also eco-friendly, helping you contribute to a cleaner planet. Finding the right size is easy, with options ranging from extra small to triple extra large. The included sizing chart helps you choose the perfect fit for maximum comfort. Durability is at the core of the Dri-Tek design. Despite their simple appearance and thin material, these glove covers are built to last, capable of withstanding wear and tear over many uses. Each pair of waterproof glove covers comes with a convenient self-storage bag. Compact and lightweight, they're easy to store in your backpack or vehicle, ready to be deployed whenever the weather turns.
Remember, all Gears products come with an ironclad 1-year warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Add to cart and go seize your adventure.